How to set up Proxy in AdsPower with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country, then click the button, Generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. Let's start the AdsPower browser. Click the new profile to create a proxy setting. After customizing the name, scrolling down and click OK to save. Click on the More menu on the far right and click Update Proxy. Selecting the corresponding proxy type, paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302. We click the Check Proxy as Recheck and save with Correct. Now, click Open to start the proxy. Wait for a minute, then create a new tab and turn to ipinfo.io to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302, proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.